Hi everyone. This video of mine is based on subordinate clauses. As I told you earlier also, subordinate clauses depend on the main clauses to give a complete thought. Now there are three types of subordinate clauses. Noun clauses, adjectival clauses, and third is adverbial clauses. Let's take them one by one. Let us start with adjectival clauses. Adjectival clauses do the work of an adjective. As you know, the work of an adjective is to modify a noun. Similarly, adjectival clauses modify a noun. For example, an adjectival clause modifies a noun. Example, my father, who is a retired person, used to run his own business. Now here, who is a retired person? This is telling us something extra about father. Father is a noun. So this part is an adjectival clause. It's very easy to identify an adjectival clause. You have to keep some indicators in mind. The indicators are who, whose, whom, which, and that. These are the relative pronouns that are used in adjectival clauses. I repeat, the relative pronouns used in adjectival clauses are who, whose, whom, which, and that. See another example. The man whom you met yesterday is a lawyer. Now seeing the indicator, immediately you can tell this is adjectival clause. Plus this is modifying a noun. This is modifying a noun and the noun is man here. So whom you met yesterday, this is adjectival clause. Keep the indicators, keep the relative pronouns in mind and identify the adjectival clause very easily. Now next is adverbial clause. I would suggest you all to make down a table somewhere and note it down as I say. There are 8 types of adverbial clauses. The first important thing that you should know is an adverbial clause does the work of an adverb. Means modifies a verb. Modifies a verb. There are 8 types of adverbial clauses. First is adverbial clause of time. It answers the question when. It answers the question when. And adverbial connectors used are when, whenever, before or after. Seeing these connectors, you can identify very easily. The adverbial connectors used in adverbial clause of time are when, whenever, before or after. For example, I go to school after I have finished my breakfast. Now I go to school when? After I have finished my breakfast. This part is adverbial clause of time. And see the connector here? Connector after is used. So keep the adverbial connectors in mind. Second is adverbial clause of place. It answers the question where, and the adverbial connectors are where or wherever. Adverbial clause of place answers the question where, and the adverbial connectors are where or wherever. Seeing these connectors, you can identify this clause very easily. For example, I go to school where my brothers studied. Now I go to school where my brothers studied. This is adverbial clause of place. And see the connector here, connector where is used here. So the connectors used are where or wherever. Third is adverbial clause of manner. This answers the question how. Means how the task was done, in what manner, and the adverbial connectors are as if, like. Adverbial clause of manner answers the question how, and the adverbial connectors are as if, and like. Example, he goes to school as if he is sleepwalking. Now he goes to school. How? As if he is sleepwalking. Now as if he is sleepwalking is adverbial clause of manner, and the connector used is as if here. Fourth is adverbial clause of reason. It answers the question why the action happened, and the adverbial connectors are since, as, or because. Adverbial clause of reason answers the question why, and the adverbial connectors are either since or as or because. Example, I go to school because I want to get educated. I go to school. Why? Because I want to get educated. This clause is adverbial clause of reason. Reason is mentioned here and the adverbial connector because is used here. Fifth is adverbial clause of purpose. It answers the question for what purpose. And the adverbial connectors are so that or in order that. So that or in order that. Now it's almost the same as adverbial clause of reason. Seeing the connectors only you can identify easily. For example, I go to school so that I will pass. Now here, so that I will pass. Here the purpose behind going to school is mentioned and that is so that I will pass. So this is so that I will pass. This is adverbial clause of purpose. Next is adverbial clause of result. It states the result or consequences of a verb. It states the result or consequences of some action that happened. And the adverbial connectors are so that. Now, so that you have to use this way. So that. It's not combined. It's not so that. The example will make you clear. I love my school I love my school so much that I don't mind staying late. Now, so much that I don't mind staying late. This is the adverbial clause of result. See, here so that is not coming together. This one word that will make you clear about this adverbial clause. Next is adverbial clause of condition. That states the condition, that under which circumstances or that tells about the circumstances under which some action will take place. If you do this, this thing will be done. If you had done this, this thing would have happened. For example, states the condition for the verb to occur, and the adverbial connectors are if, unless, or provided. Example, if you work hard, you will pass. So the condition for you to pass is you have to work hard. So the condition is provided. If this condition is fulfilled, the action will be done. Next is adverbial clause of concession. Adverbial clause of concession. In this clause, something is admitted or conceded. Like, admitted means admitted or conceded. You admit something that for this reason, this action happened. Example, although it is difficult, I go to school. Means you admit that going to school is difficult. Still you go to school. And the adverbial connectors used are although or even. I hope I have made myself clear with adverbial clauses. Revise them, make a table, and keep all the adverbial connectors and the questions they answer. Thank you.